They didn't break. No. The street.
Do you have a knife I can borrow? A hammer? A croquet mallet? Anything? No, really, give me a croquet mallet.
Throw it in the street.
Yeah, but then we have to clean up the mess.
Oh, you gotta clean it up anyway. So.
The whole mess. You don't have to clean up the pumpkin seeds in there.
Yeah. We'll
Okay,
do it on the gutter.
I'm not kidding. Do you have a croquet? Do we have croquet mallets?
We do.
Am I allowed to use them?
To beat a pumpkin?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Harder, Caitlin.
You want me to do it for you? Chipping off little pieces at a time. Okay, come over to me. Come over to me.
Okay, Jeremy's turn.
Hulk smash! What in the world? This is hard. What? Hulk smash!
Oh my God.
Hey, that actually worked. Hulk smash! Smash! Smash!
All right. No, careful. Oh, there goes Caitlin. It's getting better.
Who cares about that? That's not enough. Die! Cool. No, Caitlin, let's smash the pumpkins together. I will do the honors. Put it in. Ew, it touched me. Man up, girly. Yeah, I'm kidding. Try this pumpkin.
Jeremy, move away from her, please. Oh my God. Jeremy, move away from her. Okay, I think we're done.